Hello everyone, my name is Dayanand Kumar from Ambience Institute. In this video, I am going to talk about how we train our mouth to speak English. The mouth plays a central role in spoken English because it is the physical instrument that transforms knowledge into sound. Even if your mind knows grammar, vocabulary, but it is the mouth that delivers those words with rhythm, clarity, and confidence. Here, we are not just going to speak about English, we are going to transform the way we speak. How many videos have you watched about English? How many grammar rules have you learned? How many hours have you listened? But when it's time to speak, your lips freezes, your voice disappear, your mind goes blank. Not because of you're stupid, not because your English is bad, but because your mouth is untrained. Yes, that is the truth. You are reading, you are listening, you are writing, you are watching, but you are not training your speaking muscle. That's why nothing changed. That's why you stay stuck. That's why your confidence die when you open your mouth. Let me say something very clear. English is not just in your brain. It is in your lips, your tongue, your jaws, your sound flow. Until you train them, you will always feel something is missing. English speaking is a journey. Start speaking it like your first language. Your mouth doesn't know how to move like an English speaker. Your lips, tongue, jaws, they are lazy. They are used to work on your native language. So they don't know how to manage English speed, stress, and sound pattern. You have been training your brain, but you are not training your mouth. That's why when you try to speak English, your sound slow, broken, unnatural, nervous. English is a physical language. It has different rhythm, different sounds, different set of sound pattern. Let me compare it to fitness. Imagine reading 100 books about push-ups. You know the technique, you understand the form, you can explain it to others, but you never actually did push-ups. What happens when you try? You collapse because your muscles are weak. That exactly what happens with English speaking. You know the words, but your mouth has not been trained to move fast, smooth, and confidently. And when you when your mouth is untrained, no matter how many videos you watch, how many grammar rules you learn, how many hours have you listen, you will always freeze when you speak English. That's why you say, I understand everything, but I can't speak because you are missing the one thing. Remember, speaking is not only mental, it is also muscular. But in English, you never trained your mouth, soft and silent letters, linking words, rising and falling tone. You skip them, you mumble them, you feel awkward saying them. So your speech becomes broken. That's what destroy your confidence. we have friends. Here some tips I will give. We can change everything. We can train our mouth. We can build our speaking muscles just like build muscles in the gym. We need the perfect practice, but where we are practicing. So one thing, your brain learns English through study, but your mouth learn English through practice. Your brain is the library where knowledge is stored, but your mouth is loudspeaker that brings those words to life. I hope in this video you realized why we are still unable to speak in English. Don't worry friend, first you work out on your mouth muscle. Once your mouth muscle will get free and connect easily with English, 100% you can easily speak English. So next video we can discuss another topic. Until then, take care. Bye.